Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn how to calculate a formula from sheet 1 to sheet 2 or how to calculate formula from different sheet. Suppose we have data in sheet 1 and we want to calculate any result on sheet 2. Then let us see how to calculate it. Okay. Here I have one assignment. Sheet 1 has employee code, employee name, employee grade and date of joining and department. Grades will be E1, E2, E3, M1, M2 and D1, D2. Okay. Let us create the data of sheet 1. In sheet 1, we have employee code, then name, grade, date of joining, or here I put joining date and department. Okay. Sheet 1, we have only this much data. Okay. Let us put the values. 1, 7 records. Put any name, dummy name. Okay. Grades will be E1, E2, E3, M1, M2 and D1, D2. Then grade is E1, then there is suppose D1, here is E2, suppose D2, M1, suppose M2, suppose E3. Okay. Now date of joining, you can put any date. Okay. Department, you can put any department. Suppose here I put computer, administration, marketing, sales, purchase, and you can also repeat the department. Okay. Here is the data in sheet 1. Now let us create the sheet 2. Sheet 2 has employee code, same employee code, then basic, bonus and provident fund. Okay, let us create sheet 2. Here we have same employee code. Let us copy it, paste here. After that, we want here basic salary. Then there is bonus and provident fund. Okay. As well as here one more thing, calculate annual basic as basic into 12. Then let us create here one more column. Insert annual basic. Okay, put any values for basic. Here we have some rules. The basic is from 2000 greater than that is less than 2000, that is let's start from 1500 to more than 4500. Okay, now annual basic is basic into 12 equal to basic, sorry, equal to b2 into 12. It is the annual basic. Now how to calculate bonus? Bonus is depend upon grade, but the grade is present in previous sheet, and we have to calculate bonus here with the with the reference of grade. Then how to create it? You can go here and here select the columns of grade, go to formula, and here click on define name. Give here any name. Suppose for grade I give here GRD. Okay, now you can refer this name. Okay, equal to, the first condition is if the grade is even to E3, then 15% of annual basic. Therefore here if use here logical operator and here GRD is greater than equal to, but here is alphabetical data, therefore use double quotes E1 comma GRD. Here name should be display. Okay, then only it will get successful. Equal to E3, then bonus should be 15% on annual basic. Annual basic is in C2 into 15%, 15%, comma. Let us give the next condition. M1 to M2 is 8.5%. Now here if and here we can write if grade is equal to M1 comma grade is equal to M2, then bonus is C3, no, not C3, I think C2, C2 into 8.5%, and for D1 D2 is there is 20%. Again here write formula if add. If you don't if you didn't understand this formula, then you can see my previous lectures. In that lecture I have explained how to create a formula. GRD is equal to D1. Here we use greater than less than because there is E1 E2 E3, but here only M1 M2 and D1 D2. Therefore it is right. GRD is equal to D2. Complete a double quotes, then the C2 into 20%, and there is no grade other than these grades. Then appropriately close the bracket, first bracket, second bracket, third bracket. Okay, here is the bonus. Now let us see what happened, why this false. Go to sheet 1, D1 D2, D1 D2, then M1 M2. Okay, let us check the formula. E1 to E3 equal to m1. Oh, there is and. You should write here what? Or, because there is fixed value m1, m2. Here also you can write or. Okay. Let us accept this. Let us changes in. Let us do the changes in first column or first cell. Here instead of and there is or logically, because either m1 or m2, not m1 and m2, right? Or it work properly because there is e1, e2 and e3. Either e1 to e2 or e3. There is and is a condition operator. Yeah, it, it is right. Now calculate the provident fund. How to calculate provident fund? It is depend upon basic 2000 to 3505%. Okay. Let us put the formula equal to if and basic is in D2 is greater than equal to 2000 and comma D2 is less than equal to 3500, then provident fund is 5% on basic. Then basic is in D2, therefore D2 into 5%. You can also write 0.05 like this into 0.05 or D2 into 5 divided by 100. That is also right. But it is a simple way. Now next condition is if, again give the and, if the basic is more than here is wrong, either use equal to here or here. Let us use, let us remove equal to from here and use here. D2 is greater than equal to 3500 comma D2 is less than 4500, then bonus should then provident fund should be 6%, then D2 into 6%, comma next condition and if the D2 is more than equal to 5000 4500, then there is, I think there is 6.5 something, 6.5, then D2 into 6.5%. Otherwise no provident fund. Let us give here 0. Let us see what happen. Otherwise we will change the condition. Okay, we have basic less than 2000. No, it will not work here. Let us see what happen here. Go to formula and here click on evaluate formula. Evaluate formula. Let us evaluate it. This condition is false. This condition is true, but there is and, therefore it will go to next condition. It is false. It is, why it is true? Again, let us check it. D3 is more than 2000. It is true. Oh, sorry. Okay. Sorry, it's my mistake. Instead of for basic, I use bonus. I use B2. Sorry, very sorry. Let us copy paste it. Okay, you can also use find replace option. Now let us say, yeah, right, it is 0. Okay, like this we can calculate data from two sheets. If the base data is on sheet 1, you can easily use the define name option and use that values on sheet 2 very easily. It is the simple example of how to use formula on two sheet. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.